Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about the discovery of the moon. So let's not waste any time and get in it. Our Earth has only one satellite and that is the moon, but thousands of years ago, the moon was not discovered. But on 1610, Galileo Galilei discovered 4 moons. On January 7, 1610, Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei discovered, using a homemade telescope, 4 moons orbiting the planet Jupiter. Looking at what he thought were a group of stars, he realized the objects appeared to move in a irregular pattern. These objects moved in the wrong direction, according to the understanding of nature at the time. While the moon has always been an object of wonder and scientific interest to humanity, lunar exploration began in earnest in the 1950s, with the United States and the USSR developing and launching robotic spacecraft. In 1959, the USSR's Luna 1 was the first spacecraft to fly by the moon. In 1966, Luna 9 achieved the first soft landing, and in 1969, the US's Apollo 11 achieved the first human landing. In the decades since, many nations have contributed to lunar orbiters and landers. As of January 2024, 4 nations have successfully landed on the moon: USSR, United States, India, China. More than 105 robotic spacecraft have been sent to explore the moon. Luna 1, January 1959, became the first spacecraft to escape Earth's gravity and fly within 4,000 miles of Moon. Luna 2 became the first spacecraft to make contact with the Moon's surface, but soon after it crashed in the Mare Imbrium Basin. Luna 3 in the same year captured the first and blurry image of Moon. On July 20, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins successfully landed to the surface of the moon, and Neil Armstrong was the first man who pressed the boot print on the moon's surface. On returning, he famously said, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Name of the spacecraft was Apollo 11 Saturn V. On July 24, 1969, Saturn V splashed down on Pacific Ocean. Here are some fun. It took the man 4 days, 6 hours, 45 minutes to reach the moon. The astronauts did not land at their planned site. Due to gravity, they missed the landing site by 4 miles. Neil Armstrong had 60 seconds to land the lunar module. Armstrong was the first man to step onto the moon, followed 20 minutes later by Armstrong and Aldrin. Spent 2.5 hours outside the module to collect data and take. The module remained on the moon's surface for 21 hours and 36 minutes. More fun facts. Saturn V splashed on Pacific Ocean 44 hours after leaving lunar. The astronauts were kept in quarantine for 21 days due to pathological contamination. Estimated 650 million people tuned in to watch the historical event on television. Conspiracy theorists still insist the moon landing were fake. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe.